Stamps.com version 8.8 is our newest and most effective PC postage software. In this video, we'll cover 3 new features that were added to improve and simplify your experience with Stamps.com. The first new feature is the ability to view order details for orders imported from Amazon.com, eBay, and other web stores and shopping carts. To use this feature, just click on Edit, then select View Order Details. This will allow you to confirm the correct contents are packaged and ready to be shipped to the buyer. The second new feature is the ability to print a packing slip when printing a shipping label. You'll find this feature near the Print Postage button. Packing slips will help buyers remember what they ordered, provide branding for your store, and are beneficial to the USPS in the rare event that a package is destroyed in transit. The third new feature of Stamps.com 8.8 is the ability to customize shipment notification emails. These automated emails are sent to buyers when their packages are sent for delivery. You can customize the from, subject, and message. And with one click, you can now include details such as order date, order number, product quantity, and item description within the email. All 3 of these incredible new features are available now with Stamps.com version 8.8 and can be downloaded for free at www.stamps.com/download. Be sure to download the software today so you can take advantage of these valuable new features.